Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and share a recipe on the Ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with following our workouts. But first things first, you're going to choose the theme that you're a part of right here in the bottom right corner by opening the theme section. From where you can filter out all the themes, find which one suits you the most, and get started with using it. So tap on your theme, and then we can get started following its workouts right here in the main workout page. So let's go and take a look at how to share a recipe. So basically, to share a recipe in the Ladder application, you're going to open up your recipe and tap the share icon and then choose to send it directly to friends, team members, or other users within the application. But what you can also do is open up the nutrition tab right here. In the nutrition tab, you can get started setting up your tracking. So this is going to enable you to use the barcode or photo to go ahead and scan any recipe, and just like that, it's going to be go ahead and input it right here into your journal. From here, you can go to the chat to talk with your teammates, coach, and so on to send the recipe however you prefer. You're going to go and be able to share it on the application, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.